Hi guys, it's Ted and welcome to another video. So today guys, we are going somewhere. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me.
Linggo magtatatlo tayo.
Oo.
Parang, parang kumukuha sila sa ibang agency.
Kahit yung pisasan, para yung iba, hindi na convoy na lang tayo. Pagpikat ng ibang contract.
Hi guys, so we are here sa Toblerone Hills. Yeah. So, sige. Ito sila. Ayun yung Toblerone Hills, guys. So, this is our ride. Meet. Ano, how do we Kuya, wala pa sila? What's the name? Kuya Eddie. Kuya? Okay. So, this is the 4x4 we have. And then this is the Toblerone Hills, and this is their business.
So we are just waiting for Serge.
So I advise guys, kasi sa 4x4, kailangan 4 lang talaga with the tour guide. So bali 5 lang na makakasakay. Say hi, Chi. Nasa Toblerone Hills na siya.
Next! At hinaantay si Sir J. Ayan na ba si Sir J?
Finding Sir J.
Finding Sir J.
Ayun na,
next.
nakukuha na niya yung kulay. Kanina kasi bluish.
Next. Makuha na din si Sir J. Next! Ako na yung next. Ako na. Para habang hinintay si Sir J.
Grabe. Saan na kaya si Serge? Mukhang taliwas na siya. Hindi na namin siya friend. A beautiful disaster. Wow.
Beautiful.
Diyan lang. Hi! Yes! Guys, update. Wala pa kami sa kalahati. Gusto ko nang bumalik na Antipolo. Ano talaga guys? If hindi mo branding ang hiking, huwag ka nang pumunta. Keep enjoying daw, be. Ma-enjoy mo talaga ang daan. Grabe.
The world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're hard to hard.
Talikod lang, hindi ikot!
And strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.